Hey everyone, welcome back to the Tech Stack Hub. Today I'm going to show you how to create a bootable Windows 10 or 11 USB pen drive in the easiest and safest way. If you want to install Windows 10 on any PC or laptop, this is all you need. So let's jump right into it. You need to be download your ISO file fast, and you need make sure you have two things: a USB pen drive, at least 8 GB space, and a Windows PC with internet. That's it. Super simple. Now let's download the official tool. Go to any Windows official website, download the ISO image, whatever you want, or any third party software to download the ISO file you want to install. Currently, I want to install a Windows 10 Lite OS for a old older Windows devices. For this, I have selected this Windows 10 Lite. This requirement is too low. For that, I selected this one. So let's download this ISO. You need to be download which ISO you want to flash. I already downloaded this, and currently I need the Rufus software. Just go to Rufus and download the latest one, or whatever, if you want to use the portable or older one. Just go to them, and then you put your pen drive in your USB. Then you will get the pen drive and select the ISO file on the places. Then you need to be partition type select what you will get from the your hard disks, and then you can customize the username and other things. When the Windows install, this settings will be automatically configured. When now just click OK, and takes it will take some time to install. Now it will be installing or copying all the bootable files in your pen drive. It may take up to 5 minutes. I have cropped the video. You can see the bootable complete, and you can see the close button. I have selected the complete. I have see the completed and click on crop button. Now you can see the pen drive is bootable and ready to install on any Windows or laptop devices. So that's how easy you can create the Windows 10 or even bootable USB pen drive. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.